Now I'll be explaining you how we can extract the upper curve and the lower curve. Probably you know this, but I'll be explaining it a bit more detail. So what do we do? I do this quite often, therefore you may see this and then you may still have some questions related to that. So how do we sort these things or sort these edges? So when I use a deconstruct BRAP, it gives me faces, edges, and vertices, right? So I will have 4 different edges. And if I put the curve middle to each edge, now I have my edges, right? So what I wanted to do is I want to see what is the Z value of each midpoint. Therefore, I can easily sort them by their Z values. So if I grab a tag here, and then put this here as my text and put this as my location. And if I preview this all off, so you see it's like 2.200 something something. Maybe I can make it large, like 2000 something something 100 and sorry 1500 and 356 point something something. So I want to take this and this. That's why I am using sort list, right? And this is the list that I wanted to sort. And the keys are the values that or keys are the factors that I want to create this sorting operation. And that is my Z component or Z coordinates. And if I grab a list item here, you would see that my first item in the list is this guy here. It's supposed to be green, but we don't see it as green. I mean, we do see it, but let's see in a better way. So you see it, it's now this one selected. Because sorting starts with the lowest value, and this is my value 0, right? And I can put this in here, and then copy this and paste. And if I put -1 here, -1 will be the last item in the list. In this case, it's going to be this one, right? So I can group this, I can group this, and I can group this all. Okay. And I can group this as well. So I can just maybe tag them as upper curve, add this to group, copy this and paste, and lower curve. Have them here. And these are the important curves that I'll be using in the next phases, and I can add this to here as well because this is kind of an important thing to have, but we can preview this off. This is the where all sorting happens, and I can just add this here as well, sorting curves, and that's it. I'll see you in the next one.